Welcome to Projectventive channel. To make sure to hit the like button, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Neato Botvac is a robot vacuum that uses an advanced laser sensor to map and navigate rooms. It detects walls and objects and cleans close to edges and around objects, without bumping into your furniture. Neato Botvac has two cleaning modes: Clean House and Clean Spot. Clean House mode will clean your house, Clean Spot mode will clean a 4 feet, 1.2 meters, by 6 feet, 1.8 meters, area. Important. To start cleaning, the LED around the right button must be green or blinking green and Botvac must be turned on. If the right button is not green or blinking green, put Botvac up against the charge base to charge. If the screen is not lit, press the right button to wake up Botvac. Clean House mode, press the right button below the dirt bin with the icon. The screen will indicate that Botvac is cleaning the house. Botvac will come off its charge base and scan the area. Cleaning House 2021, Trademark Neato Botvac User Manual. Neato Botvac User Manual. If the area is less than about 15 feet, 4.5 meters, by 15 feet, 4.5 meters. It will do a boundary cleaning of the area and then clean the interior using a back and forth straight line pattern. If the area is larger than 15 feet, 4.5 meters, by 15 feet, 4.5 meters, Neato Botvac will create a virtual room that is about 15 feet, 4.5 meters, by 15 feet, 4.5 meters, and do a boundary cleaning. Then clean the interior of the virtual room using a back and forth straight line pattern. It will move on to vacuum the next virtual room. Depending on the size and configuration of the room, it may or may not finish one room before moving to the next. It will continue to clean in segments until the job is finished, keeping track of where it has and has not cleaned, using its sophisticated SLAM technology. Starting at the charge base. If Botvac started at the charge base and needs to recharge before finishing the job, it will navigate back to the charge base, wiggle up to it and recharge. You will see a message on the LCD that says, "Cleaning suspended while charging." It is in suspended cleaning mode while charging. Once it recharges, Botvac will go back out and resume cleaning where it left off. Botvac will do a maximum of 3 cleaning runs and 2 recharges between the cleaning runs. After the third cleaning run, it will dock at its charge base and recharge. 0-100 cleaning suspended while charging. Pause starting off the charge base. If Botvac is not started at the charge base and cannot complete cleaning the area in 1B battery charge, it will go back to where it started and ask you to return it to the charge base to recharge. Clean Spot mode. Spot mode is used to clean a small area. To start Spot mode, put Botvac on the floor facing the area you want cleaned. Spot mode will clean a 4 feet, 1.2 meters, by 6 feet, 1.8 meters, area in front of Botvac. Press the left button. With the icon, the screen will show Botvac is cleaning Spot. Botvac will scan the area, turn right and do a boundary cleaning of a 4 feet, 1.2 meters, by 6 feet, 1.8 meters, area. It will then clean the interior using a back and forth straight line pattern and return to its starting location, or if it saw a charge base while cleaning, it will return to the charge base and wiggle up to it. Cleaning the filter. For optimal performance, empty the Botvac dirt bin and clean the filter after every use. Take out the dirt bin. Remove the filter. Empty the contents of the dirt bin into a garbage can. Tap the filter against the garbage can to get rid of any excess dirt. Point 4. Replace the filter and make sure it is tight. Insert the dirt bin back into the Botvac and make sure it is fully engaged. Tip: change the filter in your Botvac every 1 to 2 months. Factors that determine how often to change the filter include frequency of vacuuming, size of the area it is cleaning, and the amount of dirt, debris and pet hair it picks up. Cleaning the drop sensors using a cotton swab. Periodically clean the drop sensor windows, too, on the bottom of your Botvac, see below. Cleaning the top of your Botvac. Clean the top of your Botvac periodically with a damp cloth. Make sure there is no dirt accumulated under the laser cover. If there is any dirt or debris, remove it so the laser can navigate your home accurately. Combo brush length equals 10.875 in, 276 mm. Best brush for picking up pet hair. Much quieter on hard floors. Blade brush length equals 10.875 in, 276 mm. Superior cleaning performance for all floor types. Side brush for precise edge cleaning. Neato D8 Intelligent Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Laser Smart Nav, Smart Mapping. Cleaning zones, Wi-Fi connected, 100-minute runtime, powerful suction, turbo clean, corners, pet hair, XXL dustbin, Alexa. 945-0444 parts of Neato Botvac AC standard filter surface area equals 13.1 in 2/85 of a centimeter high performance filter. Surface area equals 84.7 in 2/547 of a square centimeter captures particles down to 0.3 microns, more than 3 times the amount of fine dust particles as a standard filter. That is very beneficial to mankind. Dirt bin size, 0.7 liters bigger is better. Dirt bin holds more and is easy to empty. Boundary markers, magnetic strips keep your Botvac where you want it to go. Battery rechargeable Neve 12V 3600 mAh battery. Charge base. Extra charge base is great for homes with stair. Battery calibration. You can recalibrate Botvac's batteries to improve capacity and lengthen runtime between charges. You should recalibrate the batteries in these situations. Botvac is new, the batteries are new, you updated the software, your cleaning area expanded, Botvac's runtime is low. Follow the steps below to recalibrate Botvac's battery. Run off any scheduled cleaning, reset the batteries by going to menu to support to new. Place it on its charge base overnight to ensure a full charge, run it until it finishes cleaning the maximum area you ever want it to clean, or until it displays battery low on its display and needs to recharge. Dock it on its charge base for a full charge, until the status light turns solid green. Run it as usual until it needs to recharge again. Repeat step 6 2 more times. The Neato D8 has 100 minutes of runtime and can cover up to 750 square feet on a single charge. But if your robot needs more time, this quick boost. Your robot determines how much power it needs to finish the job, charges up to that amount, and then goes back to cleaning from where it left off. Neato works smarter so your floors get cleaned faster. Neato, a good robot vacuum. Spec for spec, the Neato D10 is as good as robot vacuums come. The 2500 pascals of suction power is in line with high-end machines from Roomba, Roborock, and Shark, and Neato gives you 3 power modes to optimize the D10's performance and battery life. 3 Neato's D-shaped design reaches dirt where round robots can't, in corners and along walls with its laser-smart LiDAR technology, the same technology used in self-driving vehicles. It maps and navigates your home with precision, leaving your carpets with satisfying straight vacuum lines and floors free of dirt, dust, and debris. The intelligence of Neato Laser Smart Map navigation with LiDAR, powerful vacuum system, and D-shaped design ensures every inch of your home is vacuumed completely. Clean with a spiral combo brush that's up to 70% bigger than those round robots. It's effective on any surface, hardwood, carpet or tile. So it's great for any home. Neato's large dirt bin at 0.7 liters means less frequent emptying. Control your robot remotely through the My Neato app. Schedule cleaning with routines and create virtual zones and no-go zones to define areas to clean more frequently, and areas to avoid, like a child's play area or pet food bowls. For those extra tough areas, just shift into turbo mode for a deep, thorough clean with extra pickup. It increases suction and speeds up the spiral combo brush, getting into every last crack and crevice. Neato D8 offers 20% greater dirt pickup than D5. Tested in internal labs, you can customize your clean with multi-zone cleaning. Select up to 16 areas and choose the cleaning modes that are best suited for every room's needs based on the floor surface type and room usage. Create your cleaning schedule right from the palm of your hand with the My Neato app. The high-performance filter is designed to trap the stuff that makes us sneeze and itch, capturing up to 99% of allergens. 2 extra filters are included with each robot. Product software features may be added and/or subject to change in the course of continuous product improvement. Certain features shown may not be available at time of purchase and will be delivered directly to your app and/or robot when available. Neato Robotics D7 Intelligent Robot Vacuum, compatible with Alexa, robot vacuum cleaner with charging station, Wi-Fi and app. Use the Neato app to start, stop, find, schedule and receive notifications from your intelligent robot vacuum even when you're not home. Total control is at your fingertips. Protect valuable decor. Pet bowls or heavy messes by creating no-go lines through the app which work as virtual boundaries so that the automatic vacuum knows what objects or areas to avoid and pet hair, dust and allergens that linger in the home are first to go. The exclusive D-shaped design mimics corners of your home for a precise clean that round-shaped robotic vacuums simply can't do. Choose your clean. The Eco option gives a longer, quieter energy-saving clean while Turbo option provides a super Hackbot vacuum cleaner is powered cleaning. with maximum hair pickup for a deeper clean. Even with 120 minutes of runtime per charge, the smart vacuum cleaner always goes back to its base to recharge if needed and picks up directly where it left off until the job is done. Just press the start button and it will vacuum your floors, cleaning them one room at a time and then moving on to clean the next room. It keeps the room in its memory so that it can finish cleaning where it left off. Depending on how it was started, it will start it off of the charging base. If the Neato vacuum was started off of its base and did not finish the cleaning job in one battery charge, it will return to base to recharge, and then start cleaning again where it left off. If it still hasn't finished the cleaning job, it will return to its charging base once more, recharge, and return to finish cleaning where it left off. The vacuum will clean for a maximum of 3 cleaning runs and then it will go back to its charging base to recharge. Quick Start Your Robotic Vacuum 22 Neato Vacuum Uses Guide started manually without charging base. If the Neato vacuum was started manually off of its base and could not clean the space in one battery charge, it will go back to where it started and ask you to plug it in to recharge. It is in suspended cleaning mode while charging. When finished charging, place the Neato vacuum within 2 feet of where it returned for charging, press start again, and it will return to where it left off to finish the cleaning job. It will repeat this one more time if it hasn't finished the cleaning job. The Neato vacuum's LCD control center screen is your interface to communicate with the vacuum. This is where you give the vacuum its cleaning schedule or pause its cleaning cycle, and it's also where the vacuum will give you information. For example, it may tell you that it is returning to its base to recharge. In addition, if your vacuum encounters a problem, it will tell you what is happening so you can correct the problem. The welcome screen looks like this. The button, called a soft key, below the screen performs the action shown above it on the screen. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.